When it comes to choosing the best range hood insert for your kitchen, there are several factors to consider. This buying guide will help you to choose the best hood insert for your needs. Size. To find the right size range hood insert for your situation, start with the size of your cooktop. And remember, you'll also have to take into account your cabinetry and what size insert will fit. CFM. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute. This is all about how powerful a hood is and how much air it is capable of moving. Noise level. Most manufacturers provide a sound rating at the highest fan speed, so you know what you're getting into. The quietest range hoods won't go far over that 60 decibel mark. Mounting height. The general guidelines to hood mounting heights are 24 to 30 inches above gas stoves, and a bit closer at 20 to 24 inches above electric and induction cooktops. But each manufacturer should have a specific recommendation in their installation instructions. Control panel. The controls of your hood should be simple and straightforward. All you really need is power, fan speed, and lighting. Lighting. Hood lighting and the bulbs you use is another important factor in choosing a hood. Bad lighting can be a nuisance and have a negative impact on your overall cooking experience. Installation. The cabinetry that you're installing your hood insert into will play a big role in how difficult the installation is. The process of installing a hood is fairly straightforward, but the weight and size of many hood inserts can make it a bit more tricky. So guys, in this video, we'll show the 6 best hood insert on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular. Broan-NuTone 412404 hood insert. This hood insert is high-quality ductless range hood insert that effectively removes smoke and odors. It comes with a replaceable charcoal filter for easy maintenance, and the incandescent lighting evenly distributes light over the cooktop. The rocker switches allow for easy control of the light and 2-speed fan, and the range hood insert is easy to install as hardwired or with an optional power cord kit. The 24-inch size is ideal for most kitchens, and the non-ducted filtration system is effective in improving ventilation and lighting. Pros. A high-quality hood removes smoke and odors, easy to install, fits perfectly. Cons. No power cord included. Question. Will it need power cord kit? Answer. Yes, it will. Number 2. IKTCH IKB01-30 range hood. This hood is a sleek and modern appliance made from stainless steel that comes with a remote control for easy operation. Gesture sensing function adds a unique touch to the user experience. With a maximum airflow of 900 CFM and 4 speed settings, this hood can efficiently remove smoke and odors from your kitchen. The ultra-quiet operation ensures a peaceful cooking environment, and the energy-saving LED lights offer excellent illumination. Additionally, the 2 stainless steel filters are easy to remove and dishwasher safe, ensuring efficient filtration of cooking grease and oil. Pros. Sleek and modern design, maximum airflow of 900 CFM, ultra-quiet operation, dishwasher safe stainless steel filter. Question. What is the CFM of each of the 4 speeds? Answer. 300 CFM, 420 CFM, 550 CFM, and 900 CFM. Number 3. Kobe INX2930SQBF hoods insert. This hood insert is a durable and reliable choice for kitchen ventilation. Made of commercial-grade stainless steel, it features a powerful 550 CFM motor with 3-speed mechanical push buttons, including a quiet mode for noise reduction. This bright 3-watt LED lights provide excellent cooktop illumination, and it comes with both baffles and aluminum mesh filters. Exhaust is a top 6-inch round, making installation easy and efficient. Pros. Functional design, fits perfectly, bright LED lights, 3-speed fan, easy installation. Question. What size duct do you need with this hood insert? Answer. You will need a 6-inch duct. Number 4. MCBON range hood insert. It's a high-quality, durable, and efficient option for those in need of a range hood insert. Its brushed stainless steel construction resists grease, stains, and rust, and the easy-to-remove baffle filter is dishwasher safe. It can be used for ductless or recirculating operations, with a charcoal filter to effectively remove grease and odor. The powerful copper motor offers 600 CFM suction power, and the ultra-silent operating noise level of 35 dB is perfect for quiet cooking. Pros: great looking, easy to install, durable and efficient, powerful suction. Cons: requires adjustment to eliminate noise where not ideal. Question: where is this product made? Answer: it comes from China. Number 5. Zomagas Range Hood. This hood insert boasts a powerful 600 CFM motor that provides great suction while remaining relatively quiet at a maximum noise level of 65 dB. The dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters are made from corrosion-resistant number 430 stainless steel and can be easily cleaned in a dishwasher. The duct or ductless convertible design allows for simple installation of charcoal filter to convert the hood from ducted to ductless. The easy-to-use control button panel is a classic mechanical push-button design that is durable and reliable. The two bright cooking lights on both sides of the hood provide ample illumination. Pros: relatively quiet, easy installation, duct or ductless convertible design, bright cooking lights. Question: is this hardwired or a plug-in? Answer: this hood will have a 3-prong plug. Number 6. JOEAONZ Range Hood Insert. This hood insert is a heavy-duty and ultra-quiet blower system that reaches up to 600 CFM, making it perfect for removing harmful grease and odor during cooking. Its deep groove baffle filter catches grease before it drips down on your cabinets, and the filter is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The minimalistic design fits into smaller spaces while still delivering efficient performance. Energy-saving LED lamps provide bright light, and the 3-speed setting meets all cooking needs. It also comes with a convertible venting option, making it perfect for any kitchen without venting system. Pros: heavy-duty hood insert, stylish design, ultra-quiet blower system, energy-saving LED lamps, 3-speed settings. Question: where do the filters go? Answer: it can install on both sides of motor. Last but not least, you can check out these products as well. Number 1. Broan-NuTone PM300SS Hood Insert, 300 max blower CFM. Number 2. Kobe INX2936 SQBF Range Hoods, 550 CFM at maximum power. Number 3. Sierra CAS5291 3E Range Hood Insert, 300 max blower CFM. Number 4. Broan-NuTone BBN1303SS Insert, 30-inch range hood. Number 5. CT Copper Range Hood Insert, dishwasher safe baffle filter. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon for regular updates, and I'll see you in the next video with another review.